In this video, I'm going to show you how to add thumbnail in Facebook video. So if you want to add thumbnail to your Facebook video, this is how you can go about it. I'll show you how to do this on your mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on PC. Now the option for you to do this is not available on the Facebook app, as when you open the Facebook app, under your post, when you tap on the three dot at the top right corner of the post and tap on edit post, under the video of the post, you will see the video options where you can add thumbnails in your video on Facebook. So since this isn't available on the Facebook app, you can go ahead and open Chrome and then log in into your Facebook account on your Google Chrome. Once logged in, tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen. And here you see desktop site. Tap on desktop site. This will reload your page as a desktop page. To switch to your Facebook page, once here you can zoom in and tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here you see the option to switch to your Facebook page or profile. Tap on your profile to take you to your Facebook page profile. Once on your profile, scroll to the section of your post and tap on the three dot at the top right corner of the post. Here you're going to see edit post. Tap on edit post and your post. When you scroll to the video section, you'll see video option. Tap on video option and tap on the drop down beside change thumbnail. Here you'll be able to upload an image you want to use for your thumbnail. Tap on this option and tap on upload image, and you can select the image you want to upload as your thumbnail. On PC, you can upload a thumbnail while uploading a video, or you can upload a thumbnail after uploading a video. To upload a thumbnail while uploading a video, click on photo video and add your file to be uploaded. While uploading, you will see video option. Click on video option. Here you want to click on change thumbnail. Scroll down a little and you see upload image. Click on upload image and click on upload image. You'll be able to select your thumbnail and add to your video. After adding a thumbnail, click on save and your thumbnail will be added. To upload a thumbnail after posting a video, go to your Facebook profile or page profile and on the post, click on the three dot at the top right corner of your post. Click on edit post, scroll down under your text and you see video option. Here you'll be able to follow through the same steps. So thank you for watching this video on how to add thumbnail in Facebook video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.